After you get a little bit of traffic and prominence in your niche,
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
whether you're doing marketing on YouTube or whether you have a website or you have some social media presence, you're going to start getting pitched by affiliate programs who want you to join. So you don't have to find them, they find you. Here's an example of one. I get about 3 to 5 of these a week. So I get a lot of these. I cannot possibly join all of them. And here's how it typically looks like. It typically says something like whatever partnership. They call it a partnership. And then you open the email and they say, well, you can promote our affiliate link and anywhere you want, and you get 20% commission on every closed deal through your link. And how do you decide which ones you want to do? So the first question is, can you sell this to your audience? And you have to see what the product is. In this case, it's some kind of Chrome plugin extension that helps people record with their computer. So it replaces other recording software as far as I understand it. Most of my Udemy students will not need this, but maybe about 5 to 10% will. So it's already a relatively poor match for me. It's most likely a no. And if this question is a no, if it's not a match for your audience, most likely the consideration ends right there, because you don't want to start growing a new audience and you're not going to be able to sell it to your existing audience, and you don't want to turn your existing audience off. But just for our sake, let's see if this is a good program. And by the way, I never joined this program. I'm about to delete this email after I create this video. So what you would do is you would click on their link to read more about their affiliate program. This is the page you land on when you click that link, and they say 20% recurring commission. If you recall, that email pitch said 20% commission. This says 20% recurring commission. Recurring means every month you get another commission. So this is actually much better. That email pitch had an error in it, an important error. Now, 20% of the recurring commission, we have to figure out, is this easy to sell? What's the average duration of an account? If it's just 2 months, it's not a lot. But if it's 2 years, that's really great. And so we don't know what the churn is. We have to find out. And we have to see, okay, well, 20%, sure, but 20% of what? Of $1, of $1,000? So these are the questions you would have to answer for yourself when you consider an affiliate program. So the first thing you'd go is go to pricing, and you see that a lot of people will sign up for the $0 per month or the $10 per month. And that's going to be the majority. Most people sign up for that. And it's really going to be $2 per month recurring. $2 per month is really low. It's basically no additional revenue at all. $2 a month, very bad. And generally, for most of these kinds of programs, people do not stick around for too long. That's the assumption you can come into this with. You can, of course, email their support or email their affiliate support person if they have an affiliate support person. And you can ask, what is the average duration length of an account? And they'll tell you. If it's 6 months, then you'll make $2 each month, or $6, that's a $12 commission. It's not that great, okay? And these other ones, they're going to be so rare that it's not even going to count. And so you can consider, okay, you're going to make relatively little per sale. There's probably more things you can promote to your audience. So this is a relatively poor affiliate program to join. There are many better ones. I don't have time to deal with them, so I'm just going to delete it. But if you wanted to pursue this, what you could say is, well, I don't mind joining, but I don't know how well this will sell. I'm going to have to charge you $100 or $200 fee upfront so I can try it out. Sometimes that actually works, because that's no longer affiliate marketing. That's you becoming an influencer. That's influencer marketing. Typically, companies like this who do this outreach to affiliates also do outreach to influencers who can promote them, and they pay the influencers upfront. So in your email response, you can suggest an upfront fee if this is not a match for you as an affiliate. And then if you see that their answer is not a hard no, then you can explore, maybe there is some balance of upfront fee and some balance of affiliate commission. You can figure it out in the ensuing emails. It's usually flexible, not always, but usually. So you see, you have options for where you can take this, and your goal is actually to gain some prominence in your niche. After that, you'll have an unlimited number of choices of affiliate programs who will actually reach out to you. So that's an example of how you'd consider an affiliate program who reaches out to you, so that you can understand it's not only you searching for affiliate programs. Often when you gain prominence, they come to you, and you have negotiation power because they already want you.